Hurricane season is really starting to ramp up as we already have a tropical system in the Atlantic Ocean named Tropical Storm Dexter. This is forecast to just be a fish storm and not impact any areas. But we have two different areas of tropical development potential. This first one having a 50% chance of tropical development in the Atlantic Ocean in the big MDR region here. This is most likely going to be a fish storm too. We will watch it on U.S. potential of a landfall, but right now it's just looking like a fish storm, but could be very strong. Now, this other chance of development is a 30% chance here, but this is a lot closer to land, like South Carolina and North Carolina. This could hit the land in North Carolina regions, but it is still far out and doesn't look like it's going to develop for a long time. We'll see what happens with this. Bye, everybody.